So basically, this is our field. It's close to the restaurant. We need to drive 2 minutes with the car. This is also the field for the animals, for the wild ones. All inside the fence. And a long time ago there was a field for making potato. And inside there is a small fenced field for bee houses, and at the moment it's quite sunny, so all the bees there must be outside, so it's quite dangerous because they can bite you. So basically we have two types of bee houses. We have old ones that my father, when he was very young, he made himself. They look like this. And we have a new ones that are made in a modern style and that are more colorful, made like this. And if you want, I can show you from the front how they look. See? So there are open spaces at the bottom, so the bees can go out and go into. Oh, one bite me almost. And oh, I am opening. It looks like this. So this is to cover the bees, this part of the bees. Look, so they leave everything here. So if you have water with sugar, you just put the water with sugar on it, on the top of it. They drink it and they produce sugar, they produce honey and leave it here. This mate is to protect the bees and when it's cold. And every second day my father gives food to the bees. Wow, it's so many. We have tens of bee houses.
Co teraz?
We are preparing the box for the babies.
A tu są pszczoły.
Jej, dużo, how many?
Trzeba przygotować najpierw. Jak się...
We are preparing the box. See? This. So that the bees have it's very warm during cold hours.
O, patrz.
What the hell? Co ty robisz, tato?
Tą ramkę weźmie tutaj.
My father is going to take this frame into this box, but all these bees are flying like crazy. We need uniforms.
Daj, położę. Środek.
Okay, put in the middle. There is some. Here is some honey. I can see. It's fresh. Almost done.
Here.
Whoa! Almost. biting. This steam is to protect against being beaten up by the bee. They don't like it. This is another one frame to be put into the new box for the small babies. Nice. So they are switching the frames. Chyba tak. Podkarmiaczkę będziesz dawał? Podkarmiaczek do młodych się nie daje? Ten zrobiony już. This one is done. We cooked as many as we could.